Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Navara NP300 dual cab N-Trek Ute, stock reference number 5218. The shape runs from the 5th month 2019 and it runs through to the 11th month 2020. It has a YS23 DD-TT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DD-TT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand fog light, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag, no 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, pair of factory N-Trek side steps with all bolts and brackets, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar and tonneau cover with all fittings, left-hand tail light, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, left rear door appears to have no damage, and the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and orange leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.